If you're looking to upgrade your Hostinger plan, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to move to a higher hosting plan step by step so you can unlock more resources, more flexibility, and the features your website needs as it grows. Whether you're upgrading because your traffic is increasing, your project is getting bigger, or you simply want better performance, this guide will walk you through the process clearly from start to finish. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account. You'll want to use the account that is currently managing your hosting plan because that's where the upgrade options will appear. Once you're signed in, you should land on your main dashboard. If you don't see it right away, look for the dashboard section in the account menu and open it. This is where Hostinger keeps all of your hosting services, subscriptions, and billing details in one place. Next, go to billing and then select subscriptions. This area shows every active plan connected to your account, including hosting, domains, and any add-ons you may have purchased. Find the hosting plan that you want to upgrade and click to open it. Make sure you select the correct subscription if you have more than one service because the upgrade will apply to the plan you choose here. Once the hosting plan page opens, look for the option that says Upgrade to a higher plan. Hostinger usually makes this easy to find, and it will take you directly into the upgrade flow. Click that button to continue. After that, you'll be shown the available upgrade options. Take a moment to compare the new plans carefully because different plans can include different amounts of storage, bandwidth, websites, and performance resources. Now choose the new plan that fits your needs. If your website is growing fast, you may want to select a plan with more power or more hosting space. If you're upgrading for a client site, a business site, or an online store, think about what level of performance you'll need over the next few months, not just today. Picking the right plan now can save you from needing another upgrade too soon. After choosing the new plan, select your billing period. Hostinger may offer monthly, yearly, or longer billing cycles depending on the plan. Usually, longer billing periods can give you better pricing overall, so it's worth reviewing the options before continuing. Choose the billing period that best matches your budget and how long you want to commit to the service. Then select your payment method. Hostinger will show the available payment options based on your location and account settings. Pick the method you want to use and carefully review the order summary before you pay. This is the best time to double-check the plan name, billing cycle, and total cost so there are no surprises. When everything looks correct, complete the payment. Once the payment goes through, your Hostinger plan will be upgraded and the changes should apply to your hosting account. In many cases, this happens quickly and you can go back to your dashboard to confirm the new plan is active. If your website is already live, it's a good idea to refresh your settings and make sure everything is working as expected after the upgrade. And that's it. You've now upgraded your Hostinger plan successfully. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to click, and now you can manage your hosting with the new plan you selected. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.